Hello everyone, my name is Abu Bakr Salim and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss a problem, and that problem is that we have to check and assign a grade to a student depending on his marks and percentage. And we have defined a criteria on the basis of which we are going to assign that student marks a grade. So for example, if a student has percentage greater than or equal to 90, we are going to assign him A plus. If the percentage is in between 80 and 90, the grade is going to be A. Similarly, between 70 and 80, the grade is going to be B. Between 60 and 70, the grade is going to be C. Between 50 and 60, the grade is going to be D. And between if the percentage is less than 50, then the student will be assigned with the grade F. So this is the program that we are going to create today, and we first have to get input from the user, and that input is going to be the obtained marks and the total marks, and after that we will calculate the percentage and we will uh, uh, assign the grade. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to create variables. The first variable that I'm going to create is obtained marks. The second variable is going to be total marks, and the third variable is going to be percentage. So and I have assigned floating point value to these three variables because we know that the percentage, obtained marks, and total marks can be in floating point value. Now we have to get input from the user. So for that, I'm going to first print the message, enter obtained marks, because I want to make this program an interactive one. Similarly, I want the input from the user. So scanf, and with that I'm going to use percentage %f because obtained is a floating point variable. And I'm going to make it quick. I'm going to copy paste it, and just give me a moment. So I have to print total marks. I'm going to change the name of the variable. So now there's an error. Now it will be gone. So now we have to calculate the percentage, and the formula to calculate the percentage is very simple. You must have studied it in maths. It is obtained marks divided by total marks. I'm going to enclose this in parentheses and then multiply the result with 100, and I'm going to use 100.0 to make everything floating point. Now we have to create the conditions. So the first condition that we are going to implement here is if percentage is greater than 90, greater than equal to 90, and we have to assign the grade A plus for that. Then we have to implement the second condition, that if percentage is greater than equal to 80 and the percentage is less than 90, in that case we have to print A. So this is how we are going to implement the conditions. So I'm going to copy them, and I'm going to implement for B. So for B, it's going to be 70 and 80 here. So we have to basically specify the ranges here, and we are going to change the message to B. Then 60 and 70, and it is going to be C. Then D is going to be from 50 to 60, and the last one is going to be for F grade. F means that you have failed the subject, and for that I'm going to use only percentage is less than 50. So if percentage is less than 50, in that case the output should be F. So this is the program that we have created. We have covered all the conditions. Now I'm going to execute the program, and we'll see that either the conditions that I have implemented here are correct or not. So first I'm going to enter obtained marks. 150 is going to be the obtained marks, and the total marks are going to be 200. I think that in that case the percentage is going to be 75, I guess. I'm not sure, but I think it's 75, and 75 comes in the category of B. So the output should be P. And yes, it is correct. So this is how you can create a very simple program in which a user can enter the obtained marks, total marks, and we can calculate the output, the grade. So I hope that you have understood the logic of this program. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.